Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the Fallout Nuka Nuke USB hub, exclusively from Loot Crate, and you had to order the 6-month subscription in order to get the USB hub. They didn't have a final product, and you ordered the 6-month subscription to begin with, so you had no idea what it was going to look like when you ordered it. You just knew some half-drawn photo was going to be the USB hub. Now, it took them about 6 months for them to actually ship it out, and to be honest, it's a very simplistic USB hub. It's a piece of plastic that looks like a mini nuke with the color scheme of Nuka-Cola, and it has 3 USB ports on it. And when you plug it in, the only other exciting thing that happens to this USB hub is, drumroll please, this could be a long drum roll. It lights up. Now, isn't that just the most amazing thing you've ever seen? Alright, well, this is my review. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, like and subscribe. If not, like and subscribe anyways. And as always, I will see you later.